Alright, now listen up. Like Nicholas has explained to you, nothing is gonna change. You'll be standing toes over the edge. The whole main reason why you knife tight from your feet is we're preventing you not to slip off because of a smaller feet. So we don't want to compromise your safety. So that's the reason why we're jumping on a full body harness, okay? So that's good news to you. Alright, so I'll take you to stand on the edge looking forward. This rope will be onto your side there, Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 bungee. You jump forward as far as you can. Then in your long run going down, this will get tension like that. Now flash your face like this. Block your face like this. Then you go back into start position. That's it. Okay. Make sure if you jump out far, it won't even come closer to you. So dive out, it gets tension from this point.
As far as you can.
As far as you can.
Okay.
Check.
Hello. How you doing?
I'm excited.
What's your name?
Jakki, gonna bungee jump.
Where are you from, Jakki?
Toronto, Canada.
Is this your first bungee?
First bungee.
Whose idea was it?
It was my idea, and I'm pumped about it. My brother's gonna do it too. And my mom and my husband just did mine, so it's an adventure-filled day.
Any comments before you jump?
I'm really excited, and I'm sure it'll be a good experience.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Yep.
And it's shaking 5. Jakki, you fully connected, Toes over the edge and put your feet together. Looking up straight, arms out. Keep arms in a fist form. And you're ready.
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bungee jump. Yo, yeah. Nice one. That's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl.